Look, y'all know our market is twisted and shifted and all sorts of crazy right now. But if you're thinking about selling your home in this market, don't make these mistakes. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hill Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City, where our team has been fortunate enough to serve over 1,350 families in the past 10 years alone. If you didn't know, the housing market is currently undergoing a significant transformation, with higher mortgage rates tempering the buyer activity and an increasing supply of homes for sale. It is crucial to stay informed and be adaptable. If you're not working with an agent, you might miss these vital market shifts, leading to costly errors. Here are some of the common mistakes that sellers are making currently and how an agent can help you avoid them. First up, and most crucial, I'm shouting it from the rooftops. Overpricing your home is a problem. Many sellers fall into the trap of setting their asking price too high, leading to an uptick in price reductions. Overpricing can deter potential buyers, create appraisal issues, and result in your home sitting on the market longer, leaving you with higher than anticipated holding costs. According to the National Association of Realtors, some sellers are pricing their homes higher than ever just because they think they can. But this may drive away serious buyers and result in unapproved appraisals. To avoid this, collaborate with a professional agent who uses recent sales data as well as the current listings on the market. Let me repeat that. Make sure you're looking at what your competition is on the market. That is more critical right now than ever. So when you go to market with your home, you want to look at if there's 5 other houses that are currently active. You do not want to be the highest priced home. You want to be the lowest priced home. And the reason for that is the market is slowing, prices are tending to fall just a tad. So if they continue to go down over time, you're eventually going to have to chase that market. But if you price it right and below the current comps, the current active listings, when you come on the market today, that should ensure, if all of the things created equal, that your home will sell first, therefore netting you more money. So in a downward shifting market or a more flat, stagnant market, pricing your home on the lower end is crucial to make sure that you are the next home that sells, not the home that sells 90 days from now. You need to also make sure that your agent is up to speed on local market trends to set this comparative price. This approach attracts more buyers and fosters the opportunity for potentially getting into multiple offer situations. Up next, neglecting minor repairs. Skipping important repairs can be tempting, but visible issues, no matter how small, can turn off potential buyers, especially now when they are paying for their mortgages each and every month. These can result in lower offers or demands for concessions. As Money Talk News points out, home shoppers like to turn on lights, flush toilets, and run the water. If these basic things don't work, they may assume that you've skipped over the maintenance on the home. Homes that appear neglected aren't likely to fetch top price. The other thing we're seeing in this market right now is if you haven't done some of the minor cosmetic upgrades. For example, if you bought your home in the past 2 or 3 years and you didn't change out the floors, you didn't get rid of that crappy old carpet, do some of the things that you talked about doing when you were going to purchase, you're going to be in a position now where you may have to do those in order to sell. Because there's more inventory, because the buyers have more choices, they are choosing the homes that have all of those features already taken care of and are priced competitively in the market. An agent can guide you through preparing your house for sale and highlighting all of these necessary repairs and improvements before your photographer arrives. Next up, sellers lacking objectivity. In today's market, buyers are feeling the strain of high home prices and mortgage rates. This might lead to offers lower than you'd like, especially if your home isn't staged, priced, or marketed well. It's important not to take these offers personally. Remember, a buyer's offer is not a reflection of their opinion of your home or your housekeeping abilities. The sale of your home is strictly a business transaction. If they start out with a low offer, don't take it personally and get emotional. Instead, channel that energy toward your counteroffer. Work with your agent and make that counteroffer strong and to the point, but let them know that you are willing to work with them. Number 4, willingness to negotiate. With a growing supply of homes, buyers have more choices and thus more negotiation power. Be prepared for buyers to request inspection, repairs, closing cost assistance, pay for their agent's commission, firstborn child, just kidding. With closing costs on the rise, U.S. News Real Estate explains, if you receive an offer for your house that isn't quite what you'd hope, it would be expected to negotiate. The only way to come to a successful deal is to make sure that the buyer also feels like he or she benefits. Consider offering to cover some of the closing costs or agree to a credit for a minor repair that the inspector found. A strong agent can help navigate these negotiations, ensuring that you strike a balance between your goals and the buyer's needs. Lastly, trying to sell without an agent. The biggest mistake of all is attempting to sell your home without the help of a real estate agent. Agents bring invaluable experience and expertise in pricing, marketing, negotiation, and their knowledge that can streamline the selling process and generate more interest, and often result in a higher final sales price. 89% of home sellers used a realtor. It is this high for a reason. To avoid these common mistakes and set yourself up for success, partnering with a real estate agent is essential. Let's connect to ensure that you are fully prepared for today's market. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.